Ebusian for aha Ghana TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribing. Turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I will share no. Usambeka bi ama wa share. Ebusian for enko asem ni me. Asofo for bebre. Ghana se say no. Omusun. Baso omusun so no. Omuntimi bi omo no ebeka wa bonte na se be so abonte. Because omoanim ni amuyeye. Omunim. Omoanim say enu krenya mienim. Nyame bia ni omo ankasa. But omo mutimi sorry because omo wo edin no munya fame, omo wo fame na krofo nim say yakupon timi kasa kire omo ntino. Ona mo sorry. Ena agenda na e wo mutiri mu no, omo carry out. Asofo for bebre e wo man we mu no ebie WhatsApp group. Na sa WhatsApp group nimu no before election no ohona na omo fa plans highly secretive WhatsApp group ohona omo timika say omo makra moni bia be di omo so ebi sida empare omo na ma fa plans no ma fa omo who one or two actions no ma ko share politicians bi ebi mo kra ka timika say omo through plane eko man fufuro mu eko ya kwankyere bi mu ebi nso se omo ko Ashanti region eko ya kwankyere bi mu na omo aye wenyi na echi no eni se fu obo aye di no ni amaye nyina because mu pe se nkremoni be di muso no eni se ene fu obo no aye 15 cedis said before Akufo be free power na fu obo no 15 cedis yensa and to say Masamba back to zero. Say afena. Yen konkwa. Obedi yen konkwa. Right? That is what asofo for. More directions no. Akwanchira mo ye say Mahama enwini by all means no. Eni ene. Sa directions are mo aye no. Eno ne say mo amu ba mo a. Mo asori for a. Omo ye nurse for teacher for railway workers for local government workers etc no say na collection and babium tight no soon babium collection and babium tight no soon babium adentia because entiomuka meaning say mo mubi because mo have a connection with people in high places there and farm because they sorting more out but don't draw na asofo for do na na munim say I can't say muni link bia with any NDC politicians but you were listening to fathers of the faith and the fathers of the faith musumu pushes our agenda me mu be mutimi ma sorry for ekatam take oath say omo nim na omo koto obama MPP and we duabo na omo ye we no nyina enti ene so we say sofo ni bi na water bill extra na eko electricity bill you say sorry no say uye can say so auto 400 cedis one day crown enso for service say mo amoni mu bebre so mu ye illegal ye nimpa memenim mu bebre mu sorry bebre mu ye illegal na sa sorry for yina no yenim ya ebe because muntimi and dada mining nyina na mo akoto aba ema NDC then you think say you will find your smart way of exempting yourself and the yempini enu yempini as say them we say confirm ba ma sorry be brain I wo ho no o ma empty mo mu de se mun ji ndia se wo busuani bi wo Ghana na se wakasa wo Ghana Sunday ko reverence the prophet ana unim say omuna omuse mu kena ema NDC baba ko show ma sorry empty and to say omu twa video kra na omu ntwa congregation e because omu nim say ko obi antina because the crofone buefu omo hu say omo adada omo they led the people astray they led the people of the flock of God astray. And though saa sɔfofoɔ nyinaa atua ho ka sɛsɛ a yɛkasa no, yɛkɔ ɔsoro ahemma mu nso a anaasɛ ɔmo nso a ɔmɛtua ka no bio, because you were called into a high calling. Sana Bible kae high calling. A noble work na ɛsɛ mo yɛ, but ɛnam pɛsɛmi nkɔmɛnyɛ greed nti you stood against somebody who had a good heart for this nation. Someone that say yentua dialysis cost ma for more kidney issues, and they see Ghana for bear 4 million and they have kidney issues. Mwamushe obia na oye vice president o sibika say nkola omaba omunyanye hwiye enye omu fort a munya cancer na yen fast cancers no F2 national health insurance so that the nation can pay for this nkola na musi oye kramoninti mum penima ne ebedi o mine so eni ene hanye nyina na yebre anya ina na yebre say die omu do mu light na ka kiro say emergency maintenance. Is me say ochina the whole day medem dum so medem say ina yebre bo see emergency maintenance. If said there emergency you and I were not there until me foco. Enti Prophet Kofi Oduro need the rest. Edamase. Muna mabo modima NDC. He say the mukasa. Ene de mukasa. Say be afeti muzo. Ene de mukasa. Oh mamukasa. Mamukasa kra. They say mu complain say eye tema motorway no. Road no project no. E cost slow dodo. Mu complain nyeza. Mu kama no ntum. Say mumubi. My sorry for is this our motorway no. Now on my branch, I did about my sorry. I was painters no so on. Yes sir. You see omumba biom. I didn't hear because traffic I was akwa no so no. Nipa no stress ne ho. I dey sorry by kwa no. So o be ka say be join wo online. Or join online so on kind of saying offering there on fan send. They are abo sorry no. Tana obia be na ketia second independence kwen no. Obia be ni there. Let's go and listen to this interesting analysis from an energy expert or MPP, but energy expert or friend Wycliffe. Let's go and listen to him. But before the Rebusian for studio project now, still appealing for funds now. And at the BIC, I am a manager, and he said, "Best start to say me jumana now the funds that we had received from AAU, $90, right?" But during the day today, and me hear me first 6 videos I may upload no, and me san receive an extra $100. I think another $90 or so account, and sinin na be $180. A target me $2,300. Yen kwayenti me ye pamucho. Kotoje gu form nsandan sanyem. Sana Ayɛka. Is me chi avo. Is me kachi. Kotoje gu form nsandan sanyem. Mumbuaye. Why? Now let's go and listen to Wycliffe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Yenyan automatico. Me mahama no yen ye me pia no ahwe na namo de obeye ye no to predict him easily. Me see drume bi mahama woko capital market at extremely high interest rate ni ehun bi da between 10 to 13%. Sa window no ewo ho na de ya me etu me pia de me hwe ni din na me hwe ni mamu din a wo hwe the finances of de ye di ja no de na ye chen de emre bi om di bejaye enti enye nyakura no oma no gina ho yi kakra enti so wie the extension year near be ko of friend say 2027 2028 no ma de onim sika di o that day no say me ba so na stakua I was me say my real party say, ye dear bad near big man, near bed near me peer go. Ye co election and keep it, Master San Yamam Kakra, near Gio man who say, oh, man, is sick as a Jimpe good. Her mamma, the obesity and be no there any election. Monko 2012 election running, 2011, 2012 election running. We in an obekase atudumpi. Mr. Akweche Kasa ma we enema RG cars we go guess what? But we didn't feel, and we should not sit down, do the same old things and expect the same. Different results. Never. Say I'm trusting near me and near and trusting. Not the research team of the party. I reckon though near funny man would be pebium bit my age maybe maybe it's an automatic. Debbie. It's an automatic because the person Tom Muhammad the basic idea we know certain the corridors of India no be on one casa maybe in what you wonder how almost so many years ago.
Nana Joe me can show you two woman me why Nana Joe.
I mean that and me and mistake say and near me be mrama because of the happy you try 20 your friends say 2027 yeah. And I see even this year the extension I know afi na no mbeti mi akwa buru o mbeti mi akwa ye diombe ho e na be hu sai nipa we ye ba ye capital market e ko ni you could be cross zero coupon rate say ye break is ani ma na chire obia na we yes ani ma with the overhang of na banking sector no say no take or pay agreement and a cost here every year ni na no cross any oil our friends input no still you manage ya ni yan konkoje bosia meson ko ma mo be ko eba between omano so obedwen omanfo no ho ni nchiri ma ne daache ene ne party no ne se ombeje power obekọ akwa jisika betu agum and Ghana ni no unya sa adwene se net say ene ne de on de obuhu ane se milk ne oni ana se ene memaye ene kura ne ye kasakra we o kan ya o ka asi bibia ye problem bia ne dollar o kan ya dollar swate o kan ne so mummy enye mistake because ni para ni deal no when him sika di o papa no nim sika di papa na akwa ye hwe our friend say in 2014-15 na enti me sabs am jam fi we num dia afi na niam nkasa unfolded and afi na niam e beba because papa no ti on na wakwaji good concession or jidi nyina amanenia oni nu e top player na me minister na obetumi akama se wala me minister na obetumi akama se. This is what happened in 2014-15. Afi no akra na he was not in control because na afi akwai wholesale ntubu no we first catch bas branded we then you nya that level of high scale of corruption among the ministers. I said the name why we boss at that time the it me you know. The last hour was when they were leaving power or the your friends in a hip hop side. Cars a year that period. I brought a nearby enemy of fat to the host any three over domino the car which any buyer the father for all. And Yahe, Minya Manenka, and any enormous trying come on or Masar Kofa, my vegetarian. But yeah, but it is on us. See a bit transy. We you or friend is saying, men and women are there. You beat me to my trust from Paumia team, from the party machinery. See a bit trust in your bed. Say, we may say, Madame Fubi. Or one day, me buy no back at them so, many million and people buy no, wouldn't ni papa de atando. Okacha msefe ni yako krasi wa na mkaze ye kase mo dia wo manwati abo dia mo na mbetete ni amamu yesi yako nkrasi wa zane wakana isa sane koka eni bini di omutimi ko ekura na se hoko katre koko ni se ye beji nwusie tax afi dia mo dom koko a ya hye ye mia so akua sase mu people believe it enti mo si ye ni se me say me fear and say you enough gap when it comes to borrowing. I'm telling you, all the indices are healthy before Ombe take you over. Gap and no and over me say sa window ni bia wo de obu ska obekwa dia bi go ba and Ghana ni no ni yire bi fit sa de be ni nyina ne kura be bra ye bre akwa be ni kura wo ni omo kasa ya mba platforms ni ya kasa hwe still la bra ye bre o kasa me se me de osofo bi o yi pa o mba kwa so na me ne tra enu na me afi me frɛ no o tama o mu dollar ti so na no start so mbe fa ne ma nto ba me na host o afi de enu na me ne kasa na me so me kata zet ene ye beto petrol mo se me boa na me se sa me ma afi me go night ma danya na me frɛ no se ya because me de name nim se ya ye beto ne even no mo na so MP kura no as a regulator meaning say there's no way 3 months period omo ton atia 3 months so nkotoba for froba inti ombetum me kano kura no wontia se bebia na am ka chen say reverend let me tell you ba honhum dia kokobom paye but de wo doctor bi oho no ma wu tukonya accident obebie wu tridi so akasi so amana yi o eno no nye salvation asem ne ka de me mesua no me nim no eno na me ka kire enye salvation kona ko se dem na bompaye se bibi ba na sore dem ho no etra sa baby na bimi area how me ene se me tufo na mum me de offre say nim dia nyame dia ma me no bi di efa bi su tufo na se wo so ntie dia wo de ko na mi wi a me frɛ no nti sa o ma no sa ne ya adwena yo ti ya mompaye na si ya mpe nipa o mu bitimi agina ho agina brane a na kende kati dun kati yi ni ti ara brada ne akoka kire ne se de wo kan ye se ye de nkwasiafo ne pe eyi no epe bu na wo se president this is the time enka se jo anka se ya anka ko be sere crowd radio so se zi dia ye fo aze wo ne se dun kati a nsim hunu ne ne ma roba we ne wo se president enso nam eno galvanti
akwankwa ma ne kencha ho Wyclef eniema bi se koso wo Ghana pa na ma fisa job
ene wo ono anya no se wo president wo
be se ko be so si ko be ka te mi yonku kokwa asi kwasi
CDA teacher ni CDA eno abehye party num anya ho tam ena ne wo se wo yeso kokofia na center wo ko ye dey ena what change na papa we pa odi aba o man no so at any point given time be a said party the beba no amase o skills agwaro me properties we o be so tira wa ti be ya and these are the people they are mostly where o share party na me one of the things that me support is that where even from Kufota mo the share group of ministers na be bra pop bra to say no mo who team said they were men of stock even kwalakra Kufado fa wo nyina were people who were gloom enye omo bum wo de hwene kwala basantel akwala ya wo di atem sabe jamfino omo mo brebia giving opportunity on ne ma omo ye because I feel no be we say kro nwu yo into 2 3 na ne budget cost ra re ono so kro na mo sa peto na os de ofa bienu mi ensaka ho eno ni ehu women of valor into o promote I feel no be ye last scale wo de mo me fa to ade me say the ensuing days no what the level of corruption ne omkro I feel na minister ade me ko tra on na ade me ma ne bra ko to prayer me na me ye kitchen cabinet a kitchen cabinet bay I mean the discovery of machines and I said there maybe oduro na aduane na abizu table so ada these were the people no munya opportunity no more brebia abra me say any part be trained to the core and it's our brand yes me chire in person and some measurement of the to home Kufuado ne west me tansem eno na me tan enye hono ni pedua aprantie winya kwan ni patem e wukuru no oh giving opportunity be dey ba awoye abrantie wunya nyiri a obi a ono wunya nyiri ya na obi o yakweti akwasere no. And mind you, I have me service to Nyane. Some Bennett joke na and then your friend say, oh man, no was ne papa ne bush for we're nowhere to be found. No, will be at to Nyane be a and from where and after your team got autobiography and them. Say Cradia, Mahama time, I think say unse na
So I'm out 10 minutes. Yeah, okay, so I'm out 10 minutes. Suru
Oh my God, now I think say that standard of vehicle near Land Cruiser. They say that so be our opportunity. Car be a CEO be a car be a car be a auto. Because I say different categories of car or choice and then one is auto. These were the people I don't use so we here for. And look at them now. Oh yeah, me that's my be mercy.
Why clever the one or why clever? Your friend is saying no need the one or no need that.